How to factory reset your iPhone. In order to factory reset your iPhone, it is actually quite very simple to do so. Open up settings on your iPhone, then simply go to general. From general, you want to scroll and look for the option called transfer or reset iPhone. Now, to factory reset, you have to tap on this option that says erase all content and settings and just tap on it. Once you do that, it will ask you, are you sure you want to erase? It will delete your apps and data, your Apple account from here, your Find My activation lock and your eSIM. So if you tap on continue, your factory reset will be successfully completed. Make sure you have got enough charge on your iPhone so that it doesn't shut down during the resetting process, which could potentially cause issues later on. That's all it takes for you to factory reset your iPhone. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in our next video.